she is here. Hey guys, it's Tiffany. What is freaking up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing a productive day in my life. I feel like as YouTubers, you guys are probably wondering what we do every single day. It probably looks like we're not being productive at all. Well, I figured I might as well just show you guys what I do on an everyday basis. Today is pretty busy for me. I have a lot of little tasks that I need to get done. And also, you guys get to meet my assistant for the first time. I have an assistant that I haven't told you guys about. She's been working with me for the last few weeks. She is amazing, and today you guys are finally going to meet her. Also, I'll be showing you guys how I use my Google Pixel phone on the Google Fi network to just be productive all day long. Google Fi is the phone plan from Google. There are two plans you can choose from, unlimited or flexible. I personally chose unlimited because I use a lot of data, and what I absolutely love about the phone plan is that it's super easy to set up your phone. You don't have to go in store. I literally just signed up literally in my bedroom in bed, and then all of a sudden I was able to text and call on my phone, which is actually insane. So yeah, since I have a lot to do today, I should probably get started. I wish I was a person that makes my bed every single time I wake up, but I am not. So that is what we're gonna do right now. All right, let's make my bed. All right, bed is made. My jeans are actually pretty loose, so fun little hack. You run a shoelace through your little belt loops, and then you tie it together. Little guys in, and now it fits me. It is 9:20 on the dot. I'm actually calling my manager right now. We like to talk at least once a week because I have a lot of projects to go through right now, and she's currently in Greece right now for like the next month or so because her boyfriend lives there. So if you guys have Google Fi, what's really cool is that you can call 50 countries, and that is so cool. I know with COVID and the pandemic happening, everyone can't see their families because they're not allowed in the US. So now you guys can call them for free. Hey Google, call Kim please. Calimeta, how is Greece? I'm so jealous. Hello guys, I just finished doing my makeup. Did my makeup, floofed out my hair, changed into a better, cuter top. So my assistant is gonna be here in about 15 minutes. I hate calling her an assistant. She is more than an assistant. She's my creative assistant. She does a lot of creative stuff for my channel. So if you guys look at my channel banner art, she helped me make that and designed it with me. I'm gonna film my intro really fast, and I actually need to clean my dining room table because that's where we work together. And I also need to clean my living room. I just like to make sure everything is nice and clean. I forgot to charge my phone last night, so I think it's at 65%, which I actually think is pretty impressive since I used it all day yesterday. Honestly, one of the coolest features on the Pixel phone is that it has adaptive battery. So pretty much the phone learns which apps you're using and which apps you don't use that often, and it reduces power to the ones I rarely use, so that way my battery lasts even longer throughout the day. It is time to clean my house. So I'm just gonna clean up all this mess so Callie can come to a nice clean environment while she's working. So yeah, if you guys have a busy day in your life and you feel like you can't focus on anything that's happening and you have a messy environment, it's probably because you just need to clean up your mess. Hey, she is here. Hi. Wait, you look so cute. How was orientation?
So dumb.
This is Callie.
I'm Callie. I'm from Illinois. I just moved to Los Angeles like a month and a half ago.
Callie's actually been working with me for the last 3 weeks now. She is amazing. My Wi-Fi is being a little janky today, so I'm gonna just hotspot you in. I have my new Google phone that I can hotspot you in. Okay, so this is the hotspot name. So I haven't heard back about the podcast just yet. So they haven't said anything new about that stuff. If we can brainstorm some like graphic ideas, I think would be really freaking cool. Let me just hotspot myself in really fast. You guys already know that I am currently working on a podcast. It's not coming out yet, but I am so excited with where it's going. As you guys know, I like to post videos every Tuesday and Friday for Tiff Tuesdays and Tiff Fridays. Today is Monday, so I'm working on editing my video a little bit that I'm posting tomorrow. But I also like to use my Google Assistant because if you guys have never used her, she is amazing. You can ask her a bunch of questions and have her do a bunch of things on your phone. You don't have to open your phone and like type it all in. Hey Google, start a to-do list for today.
All right, what do you want to call it?
October 5th. So yeah, I just like to use my Google Assistant when I'm like setting my alarms, adding things to my to-do list, or if I'm just like asking for the weather because I have to figure out outfits for the day. Actually, that's a good one because I actually don't know what the weather is today. Hey Google, what's the weather today? And she pulls it up for me. It's gonna be 87 today. Holy cow, that is so hot. Honestly, this is kind of cool because it feels like I have two assistants, one in real life and one on the phone. Callie's like, hell yeah. Let's clean up the space like I was supposed to do earlier this morning and I didn't do it till now. Okay, let's do it. If you ever need to flip out a pillow, you just punch it, guys. And look, perfectly poofed up. All you gotta do is punch it. Let out your aggression. So I don't know if you guys know this or not because I feel like I used to talk about it more often, but I have a store where I just sell my like vintage slash second use clothing. I have an order that just came in this morning, so I'm gonna pack that order right now. This is the items she got. She got the straight to the heart long sleeve, and if it was up to me, raglan top. Super cute choices. I'm excited to pack this for her. Here are one of the tops she ordered. Where's the other top? And she ordered this top. Thank you for ordering this. I love these two tops. That's like my favorite part. Yay, and she's ready to ship out. Yay! I've checked 2 items off my to-do list today. It is gonna be 87 degrees today. It's time for fall. All the photos that I have on my camera right now are just like summer photos, and I actually really like using the Pixel camera. It's actually better than other phone cameras I've used. These photos look amazing. They're so crisp, so beautiful. I want to figure out some fall outfits to wear. As you guys can see, I'm going for a very fall vibe. All right guys, we are in the kitchen. Please pray for me that I do not get this new shirt all messed up. I was gonna take the shirt off, but it's a bodysuit, so that would mean I'd have to take off my bottoms and the top, and I just didn't feel like getting naked right now. Oh my god, that smells delicious. So if you want to keep the other half of your avocado fresh, I just like to squeeze the lemon right on top and just spread it around with my fingers. And then when I saran wrap it, I make sure the saran wrap actually touches the skin of the avocado. And then I keep it in the fridge, and it's good to go for like the next few days. Oh my god, that smells beautiful. Last step, nice healthy dose of honey right on top. All right, first bite. Alright, we are ready to head to the Fisherman's Village. So I yesterday went to the grocery store and bought some flowers because if you guys are awkward taking photos, I highly suggest having some sort of prop with you, especially in your hands. Oh my god, it's gonna be the first time you drive with me in my car. Good luck. I hope you live. Just kidding. Oh god. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Do you mind holding this really fast? We are here, guys. Oh my god, it's so cute. Mama, we made it. Guys, this is adorable. Goal in life is maybe one day, just maybe, own a yacht that looks like that. All right, I think we found a spot we're gonna take some photos in. I'm gonna use my Google Pixel to take photos, of course. This camera is crazy cool. They have a high definition camera in the front and the back. Normally it's only in the back.
How do you think you want the angle?
I'm gonna have you like really low. Kelly and I just finished taking photos here. We got some really good photos on the Pixel. Right now we are gonna head to our second spot. We're gonna go to a grocery store. All right, change of plans, guys. We stopped by the grocery store. They did not have a cute pumpkin setup, so we're gonna go get boba. Yes, we got some boba. All right, Callie and I just got our boba. Oh my goodness. This is actually Callie's first time trying boba. Oh.
It's good. Thoughts? I like the chewiness of the boba.
Oh my god, this is so good. I'm probably gonna finish this by the time we get home. Hey guys, I am back home now. I just finished editing my video. So I'm gonna upload that. My Wi-Fi on my laptop just does not work. Let me turn on my hotspot. So I really like using Google Fi to hotspot myself because it's so fast. So I'm gonna try to upload my video. Okay, so I am gonna upload this video. I chopped off my hair. This entire video is almost 2 gigabytes. Okay, so I just finished making my thumbnail and I love how it turned out. It's super cute. I want to show you guys the photos that I took today. All right, here are the photos that Callie took of me. They are so freaking adorable. Look how cute I am. Just kidding, but no, really, look how cute these are. Honestly, you can see my pimples, which I'm not the biggest fan of, but like, do you see that quality? Currently, it is 5:30 p.m. Hey Google, set a reminder to take a break at 7 p.m. I'm actually so proud of myself because I am uploading and finishing my thumbnail at 6 p.m. guys. 6. You have no idea how many times it's normally 6 a.m. when I'm finishing up a video. Your girl is on a roll. So it is currently 6:12. Callie's heading out. Can we show them what you worked on today? We're gonna do like a tiny corner of it because I don't want you guys to see it too early yet because it's still a surprise, but I hate it when YouTubers are like, I'm working on a secret project, but I'm not gonna show it to you guys. You guys already know the secret project is the podcast. Here's a very, very, very zoomed in version of what Callie has been working on. I'm very excited for you guys to hear about the podcast.
I can't get the boba.
I'm so proud of you! Oh my god, I need to show you guys this. Callie finally finished her boba after what, like 4 hours? Yeah. 3 hours? So I'm currently making dinner right now. I'm gonna make one of my favorite dishes, which is sweet potatoes, rice, and eggs. I need to leave these sweet potatoes on for like 15 minutes. So I'm gonna set a little timer. Hey Google, set a timer for 10 minutes. Sweet. Timer is set. Yay, my sweet potatoes are ready. I love making sweet potatoes this way. Matthew had to teach me recently how to make them this way. It is honestly so helpful making sure I have a timer on because sometimes I will forget that I'm cooking these sweet potatoes and then they'll completely burn. Okay guys, I just finished making dinner and this looks delicious. I think I just need a break for today. I've been working so hard today and you guys are probably like, Tiffany, you didn't do anything. Well, a lot of it is behind the scenes stuff that you don't get to see. I am gonna post a little story. We have dinner. I just made myself some sweet potatoes, rice, eggs. Yum. I'm so excited for this meal. Potatoes, rice, eggs. I'm just gonna post that as a story right now. Alright guys, little update here. It is currently 9:30 p.m. I spent the last 35 minutes watching TV. I also was on my phone just responding to all my DMs and comments on Instagram and YouTube. I like to do that practically every single night, but this is actually insane, guys. I have so much battery left. It's kind of crazy. I've been using my phone all freaking day. I have 23% left, guys. 23%. But yeah, that is it with today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Here's a productive day in my life. I still have so much more work to do. I'm gonna just edit the rest of the night. So again, thank you Google Fi and Google Pixel for sponsoring today's video. If you guys made this to the end of the video, comment down below. How many pictures do you have on your phone right now? I currently have 50,437 photos on my phone. Oh my god, that is insane. But yeah, I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Bye.
Hey, you the best part of every single day. Ooh, no matter what I do, I'll be lost in you.